You own a pool, and every single week you are either paying someone to clean it or doing it yourself. What if a robot just did all of it? Cleaned the pool, then cleaned itself, without you touching anything. That is the entire promise of the Beatbot AquaSense X. Check the best price from the link in the description. So what is this actually built for? In-ground pool cleaning scores a 9.6 on our data-driven review score. The AI vision system maps your pool layout on the first run and then cleans it efficiently every time after that, covering the floor, walls, and waterline in one pass. Hands-free auto operation scores 9.5 because once it is set up and scheduled, you genuinely do not need to think about it. But spa and hot tub cleaning only scores 5.5. The AquaSense X is sized for full pools, and it is not designed for compact spa environments, so keep that in mind. Daily performance. The AI navigation scores a 9.4. Unlike older robotic cleaners that bounce around randomly, this one uses actual vision to map and plan its route, which means less wasted time and more consistent results. The AstroRinse self-cleaning station is what really sets this product apart and scores a 9.3. After every cleaning cycle, it automatically rinses and dries itself, so you never have to handle a dirty filter. The 23-liter debris bin scores 9.0 because the sheer capacity means you are not constantly emptying it after every session. Battery life per cycle scores a decent 7.2, solid enough for most pools, but very large pools may require a recharge mid-session. User experience. Setup scores an 8.8. It is not plug-and-play. There is some initial configuration, but the app guides you through it clearly. Voice control scores 8.2. It works reliably with Alexa and Google Home, which is a genuine convenience when your hands are full. The noise level during operation scores a 7.5. It is not silent underwater. You will hear it running, but it is no louder than a standard pool pump. And value for price scores an honest 6.2. This is a premium product at a premium price, and that number reflects reality. Who is this for? Large and ground pool owners score a 9.8. This product was essentially built for you. Busy homeowners who want to reclaim their weekends score 9.7 because the time saving is genuinely significant. Smart home enthusiasts who already run Alexa or Google ecosystems score 9.4. But budget-conscious buyers score just 3.5. If you are price-sensitive, there are capable robotic pool cleaners at a fraction of the cost. This one is for people who want the absolute best and are willing to pay for it. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We break down products like this every week, so you know exactly what you are buying before you spend your money. Final verdict. AI navigation and cleaning performance score a 9.4, and the AstroRinse convenience feature scores 9.3. These are genuinely class-leading innovations in the robotic pool cleaner space. The honest weakness is the price, sitting at 6.2, which is a real barrier for most buyers. But if you have a large pool and want a completely hands-free experience, the Beatbot AquaSense X earns an overall data-driven review score of 8.9 out of 10. Check the best price from the link in the description. See you in the next one.